associations all over the world to at least make sure they get minimum 5 potential investors who will be interested in investing in Nigeria, in Yorùbá land, not Nigeria. And we did. So we had a conference in Dubai at the Burj Khalifa. We invited alafin. We invited Oni. Oni couldn't come, but alafin came. Now we invited the 5 governors, Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Ondo, Osun. We invited all of them because that's our target. Now, in addition to our own invitation to all these governors, alafin also invited them. And we put together all these investors from all over the world. We put them together in Dubai. Worldwide Holdings, it's the president of the Worldwide Holding is Lama Jensen. He was so impressed at our presentation about Yorùbá land. Because everything, we identify everything in Yorùbá land, mineral resources, agriculture, and all those sort of things. It's just exactly the same thing we try to do now. He was impressed. He alone promised alafin that $100 billion on the platform for Yorùbá land. Whatever you want in Yorùbá land, he was ready to do it.
$200
billion. I'm not talking in terms of million. $1 billion. And alafin was like, if you can give us an aeroplane to start Ududua airline, we can even start with that. He said, done. That alafin should get the necessary documents for it. And alafin agreed. We were to construct train around Yorùbá state alone. Yorùbá states alone. And a big mall in Osogbo as the center of Yorùbá. Alafin himself agreed to all this. We signed everybody. A Russian company also, a Russian organization also said they are ready to invest $50 billion. Many of them. But alafin was like, this is an opportunity. None of the governors came to that conference. When these people were to sign, it was alafin who signed and me that witnessed. None of the governors, none of them came. It was, alafin was almost crying at that conference. He even called Ajumobi, ọmọ mi, ntí mo rí mi kì í ṣe nǹkan kékeré ìbádàpọ̀ tó bá lè wá fúnra rẹ̀. He called Ajumobi. I was there when he was calling him. And Ajumobi said, Monsura wà ńbẹ̀. At that time when we were talking, Monsura was not there. Monsura was found in the gold souk. Monsura, we understand, was the speaker of the house at that time. Alafin was almost crying. And alafin said they should come to Nigeria. Nothing happened. And since then, we realized that these people are not interested in the development of Yorùbá land. They are interested in being governor, take care of themselves, and that's all.